So today we're going to do an active reading assignment on an article that looks at James, and we're going to be looking at author's purpose. So for your active reading assignment, you're going to look at the text features in the article and think about why the author used those text features. So what is a text feature and what is author's purpose? First, let's talk about that. So purpose. Purpose is the reason why you do something. So the reason why an author chose this stuff here is what you're looking at. These are our text features, and you're going to think about the purpose. Why? Why did the author decide or choose to use these text features? So today we are analyzing the author's purpose. And we're thinking about why does an author include text features in a science article? So we're reading a science article about genes, and you're going to think about these text features. So as you read, look at things like titles. This is a title. A title is a text feature. It tells what the author is writing about. So you could ask a question to yourself. Why does the author include the title Genes All in the Family? Another one is a head. This is a head. This area is a section, and the head of the section is right here. A section is like a smaller part of the article, so it's like one part of a page, or maybe it's part of two pages, but it's not the whole article, it's part of the article. And each part or each section might have a head. It's kind of like a title for just that section. So why does the author ask the question, what is a gene? That could be something you ask today. Remember, you're going to be asking questions for your active reading assignment today. So thinking about why the author chose to include certain text features. A diagram is also a text feature. A diagram is something you can see. So this diagram is a picture. The diagram is a picture of what the author describes in the text. So you could ask a question like, why does the author include a picture of DNA here, or a diagram of DNA here? A caption. A caption tells about a diagram. So sometimes you see a picture, or maybe you see a diagram, and then below it you're going to see some writing. That's called a caption. So you could ask yourself, why does the author include a caption that says that the four letters of the genetic code are A, C, G, and T? So maybe that's a question you can ask in your active reading notes. Why does the author include this caption? Key terms. Key terms are another kind of text feature. So authors include important words or key terms to help themselves accomplish their purpose. So this key term is DNA. So a question you could ask, why does the author include a key term about DNA? All right, so that's what you're doing. You're going to look at the author's purpose, the reason why authors choose certain text features. You're going to look at title, head, caption, diagram, and key terms. So those are different text features you can use in your active reading notes. One second. Okay, just had to fix something in the document. All right, here we go. So this is your active reading assignment for today, and the instructions are just like usual, so you should read those. And for this specific active reading assignment, I would like you to take notes and generate self-questions and find the answers. Also say the page number where you generated the self-question and the page number where you find the answer. So we're going to ask questions about why does the author include certain text features. Let's start with an example. Let's look at the first page. And here you can see there's some text features here. You've got a picture. A picture is a text feature just like a diagram. So maybe you would ask, why does the author include a picture of this man? Maybe the title. Why does the author use the title Father of Genetics? Or maybe this key term here. Why does the author include the key term Gregory Jonathan Mendel? And then you find the answer to these questions. So, another one, caption. Why does the author include a caption below the picture? So let's go with that. Let's go to for our first example. So you should have questions like this one. Let's see, it's Father of Genetics. Okay, so let's ask a question like this. Why does the author use the title Father of Genetics? Question mark. And it's 100. So with page number, find it at the bottom of the page, put it in there. Okay, and then I'm not going to do the answer. You can read it and find the answer yourself. But I'll do a few more examples with you. I'll do maybe a couple more here. So then, all right, let's do the picture. About the picture. So think about the text features and ask a question. Why does the author include a picture of a man? Let's try that one. Why does the author include a picture of a man? Question mark. And that was on page 100. And then your job is to read it and find the answers to those questions. Put them in here. And then put the page number. It's 100. And then put the page number into this one right here. It's All right, put the answer there. All right, and then let's do one more. So we'll do one more, and I'm gonna let you do the rest. You're gonna you're gonna generate self-questions and read it and write your answers in here. But let's do one more. Maybe you can do one more here if you wanted to. Nothing wrong with that. Maybe you do one on this page. You could do that. But you're going to find a lot of questions on these pages. There's so many different questions you can ask. Like, look at this head. Remember, this is a head. There's a head here, this head, this section. Oh, look at all these key terms. Look at that. There's a ton of key terms here. Any one of these would be a great question. Oh, there's a title for you right there. Oh, look at that diagram. You've got, right here, you've got there's my caption. You've got a caption here. There are so many different self-questions you can generate. Let's just do one real quick here. Why does the author include a head about DNA carrying genes? So we got to use a little bit of the words here. DNA carries genes. Okay, let's see. DNA carries genes. That's 102, page 102. DNA carries genes. Remember, this is a head, section head. So we're going to go up here. We'll say, how about this? Why does the author include a section head about DNA carrying genes? Question mark. All right, something like that. That was page 102. 102. There you go. I'm gonna let you do the answer again, and the reason why is going to be in here, and it's not. This isn't. The answer is usually not super difficult. You just have to read a little bit about why it carries genes, and then you should be able to find the answer as to the reason why the author includes this here. Okay, so there you go. Make self-questions. Create self-questions on this side, put in the page number, and then you find the answers yourself, write in the page numbers there. And remember, I'm always available to get help with this. If you're confused at all, after you watch the video, please check in with me, and I will help you get a great score on this assignment. Have a great day.